Hi, my name is Grace Fresen, and I am an illustrator specializing in lettering and doodling. I collaborate with brands on Instagram and create workbooks for people who want to try their hand at lettering and drawing. I'm a big believer that anyone can create art. Demystifying creative processes start from mastering the basics and building upon them, like a house of cards, hoping that it doesn't fall. With basic lines and shapes, watercolors, and fine liners, I try to create doodles filled with details and give a unique touch to letter forms. This way, I reinforce the meaning of each word. Following this process, I illustrate unique and playful postcards to connect the world with handmade artwork. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create your own illustrated postcards and transform your thoughts into letters and doodles on paper. For your final project, you will create 3 illustrated postcard pieces using hand lettering and drawing techniques. At the beginning, I will introduce you to the different materials that we will use and show you how to warm up our creative muscles. Then I will show you how to come up with ideas for the postcards and how to add pops of color to your work. After that, I will teach you the different lettering styles like serif, sans serif, script, and decorative. We will discover the secrets behind the art of doodling, which is basically simplified line illustrations. You will learn how to mix these 2 different techniques and combine them to create one beautiful postcard. Finally, we will look at the best ways to commercialize your work, whether it is posting them on Instagram or printing your illustrations into other objects. By the end of this course, you will have new lettering and doodling techniques to transform your ideas into joyful and electric postcards. To follow my lessons, you will only need blank postcards and a basic toolkit to draw and paint, with black fine liners, watercolors, and different types of paper. Embrace the joy of your own illustration and create new postcards like you've never done before.